Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on your Mountaineer or Explorer. This is the 4.6 liter, and here's your air filter. So this is the air filter box. You can get these pretty inexpensive. They're about $8-9. There's a link below in the description that will take you down to Amazon and get what you need. Now, so this is the box. There's 3 clips right in the middle. I'm going to show you how to take those out. So basically you want to get up under here and just release it like that. And then this one right here, do it like that. So once those clips are released, kind of pull this up and push that way. There's these little tabs here that sit inside here. Alright, so there is my old air filter. There's the old versus the new. You can see this one's filthy. Should have been changed a long time ago, but here we are. Alright, so let's put the new one in. Pull this up, sit that in, sits in there real nice. You could also take this time to, if there's any debris in there, clean that out. Alright, and then just kind of push this back. Work that in there. And then these clips just basically undo what you did originally. And you're all set. Good to go for another like 12,000 to 18,000 miles. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.